butter.
It's an easy, no-bake chocolate pie topped with a delicious marshmallowy topping.
Delicious. We're gonna start by melting the butter. And if you're gonna melt butter, you might as well brown it. It makes it toasty, it makes it nutty, it's so much better, and it only takes you a couple extra minutes. For the crust, I have some graham crackers going in a food processor. We're gonna blend these until they're a nice and fine powder. Adding a pinch of salt, we're adding the butter, and now we're gonna blend this until everything comes together into like a crumbly, wet mixture. I like to use a measuring cup to just go around the crumbs and just pack them all in there. Put this in the fridge to harden. Next up, chocolate ganache, one of the easiest things you'll ever make. It's chocolate and heavy cream melted together. We're going in with the chocolate, butter, a pinch of salt, and a little bit of booze. And then I have some simmering hot cream going in. Mix this until the chocolate is completely melted, just like that. Pour the chocolate in the crust. Set this in the fridge until hardened. And our Swiss meringue, we're gonna start with some eggs, 3 eggs. All we need is the egg whites for this. With the egg yolks, go make a tiramisu or something. I'm gonna add some sugar. Place the bowl over simmering hot water, and we're gonna mix this until the sugar is fully dissolved. And now all there's left to do is whip it out. This is what you wanna see when you pull out the whisk and look at the texture of the less sticky marshmallow fluff. It's like eating clouds. Here is a chilled pie. You can see how the ganache has fully hardened. I like to add the meringue in batches on top of the pie and torch each layer so that it gets a little bit more toasty.